They're all on it. Look at them.
Listen to the scamper.
Snowman is. I think he's going to eat him up.
Yeah.
I think they want to knock it down.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
That's the one.
He's going to knock the head off.
You seen me too?
They're like, what the heck? Angel, want your butt to me?
Hey.
Be nice, be nice. Oh, the head!
Off with the head.
Look at Scampy.
Oh, look how pretty he is. That is so funny.
Chasing and bucking and kicking each other because they're territory is what it is. And we were standing out in the field and they all were running, and down there we had a lot more, and they were all just running right at us. And we were all trying. There's a round bell over here. I run over behind the round bell, man. We didn't know which way they were gonna go.
What's the tie the head up?
Little slippage there, Campy.
I had another for you.
Skippy, that is so funny.
Hey!
Oh, not a film.
That's it, huh?
Yeah.
Don't come over here and hide behind me.
We'll have to exchange pictures. Everybody get copies. Oh, woo! Wow, that was cool, Angel.
I don't know if I've written Angel or not.
Rolling it, Samper, rolling it.
Go on.
I gotta get more film.
There he goes. I think he's gonna roll.
He's still not sure about that
I don't
comment.
trust any of them, to tell you the truth. I don't let them get too much. When I'm around them, I watch where I'm at. I don't want to. I saw our other horse that we used to have snowman kid right here.
He's about to get down in it.
Yeah, he looks like it.
Loud. And snowman goes, and I thought, man, that could be a kill. Pretty powerful.
Maverick's turn.
Really?
Maverick.
God, I wish that would shelter him out. There's a guy named Mr. Chow, an Oregon guy. And it had nothing to do with holding this out here. He lets us use that tractor over there. $100 a horse is what we pay. And then we come out with 6 people and a couple of others, and we take turns doing barn duty. So Dana and them have to come out about 3 or 4 times a week.